Good morning. Today we are to Jony Osh, a well-known restaurant that serves authentic Uzbek pilaf. And we have the rare opportunity to shoot the morning preparation routine. It all begins with prepping the components. Early in the morning, the cooks meticulously pick rice, trim juicy carrots, prepare selected meat, and of course, aromatic spices to give the pilaf its distinct flavor. Melted fat. Tail fat or oil is poured into the cauldron, and the meat is sautéed till golden brown before adding onions and carrots. This is the basis 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀, which will infuse each rice grain with a deep flavor. When the 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀 is ready, the rice layer comes next. It is critical to level it so that the broth is uniformly distributed, and to stir it frequently times until the conclusion of cooking. The traditional clay plates bearing the inscription Bon Appetit are a clear indicator of Uzbek plov. They are specifically maintained in boiling water prior to serving, both for disinfecting purposes and to preserve heat and slow down the rate at which the dish cools. Now the cooks cover the kettle with plates and let the pilaf simmer. This is a true art form that requires both temperature and patience. When the pilaf is finished, it is carefully combined, spread out on a huge lagan, and adorned with succulent bits of meat. The aroma is simply incredible. If you wish to experience classic Uzbek pilaf cooked according to all canons, go to Jony Osh. And we will continue to observe the miracle of taste and share this experience with you. Today we have a special guest, the owner of the restaurant, who will explain the fundamental difference between Samarkand Plov and other types of this iconic meal. Samarkand Plov is produced in a unique fashion. Unlike Tashkent or Bukhara pilaf, the ingredients are not combined during the cooking process. The rice stays light, and the meat and carrots are spread down in layers. This gives the meal a distinct flavor and texture. Another distinction is that Samarkand pilaf is frequently steamed rather than totally submerged in water, as in other locations. This results in a flaky and delicate texture. The essential secret, of course, is high-quality ingredients and the expertise of great pilaf cooks who pass down traditions from generation to generation. Friends, make sure to try Samarkand Plov. It's a culinary journey worth taking. If you want to fully immerse yourself in Uzbek food traditions, you must first learn how to prepare pilaf and serve tea. In Uzbekistan, it is customary to begin any meal with hot green tea. However, the tea is not simply poured. Rather, it is first poured into a dish and then returned to the teapot 3 times. This helps to bring out the aroma of the tea and warms the meals. Only after this can you pour tea, and the oldest children get the bowl first. Pilaf is traditionally served in a large 𝗍𝗲𝗀𝗃 dish. Pilaf was traditionally eaten with hands, but spoons are now more commonly used. Important: taste the meat first, followed by the rice and carrots. This allows you to sense the taste of each item. It is usual to eat pilaf carefully and relish every bite, as this shows respect for the cook's efforts. After pilaf, tea is served again, and at the end of the meal, it is usual to say "Rahmat," thank you. So you now understand how to correctly begin and end a traditional Uzbek meal. Try this ritual and your pilaf will taste even better. Okay, buddies, we've had lunch. Today we had the most wonderful pilaf at Jony Osh. Real Uzbek pilaf, cooked according to all traditions. Crumbly, aromatic, with succulent meat and a deep flavor. The ambiance is pleasant, the personnel is friendly, and most importantly, the cuisine is simply delicious. If you want to experience authentic Uzbek pilaf, Jony Osh is an excellent choice. We encourage everyone to stop by and experience this delicious taste.